What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from MPC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to render samples from MPC Beats straight to Cubase. Okay, if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification and smash the like button. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right in. I'm going to open up MPC Beats right here. Okay, this is the samples that I chopped just for the purpose of this video, and I'm going to play it now. Okay, so it's a very simple chop, right? I didn't do much. This is only for the demonstration. Okay, so once you have done all your chop in MPC Beats, if you want to render it out, there are a couple of ways that actually you can do, but the most simplest way is definitely by coming to this export audio tab here. Just click on it and it's going to render it, and now you can bring this window down here and just drag the audio to the project window. Okay, now just hit OK. Okay, so now if you can see, the sample is already being rendered straight from MPC Beats. I'm gonna play it right now. Oops, first you gotta mute this guy. And the best part is you get some tails at the end here, so it won't cut off just like that, right? That's how you render the track directly from MPC Beats to Cubase. Now the other day I made a video about how to render drum samples. For drum samples, that's the quickest way, that's the easiest way that you can render. And for samples, this is the easiest way. If you haven't watched that video, please go and check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. If you guys find some value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button and share this video to all your friends and family.